My name is Eva Redimonti. I'm an illustrator and animator based in Brooklyn, New York, and today I'm going to be showing you all about the brushes in Adobe Fresco. Because this work was created by hand for the first left side of the drawing, I needed to fill out the right side digitally, and I needed to find a pen that felt natural. For me, I chose the brush pen in the inking folder. I really like how I can customize each brush. Next up was my shading. Traditionally, I stipple with ink. To replicate this digitally, I used the stippling brush from True Grit's sample pack and imported it into Fresco. For coloring my skin tones, I usually choose a basic flat color first. From there, I build up multiple colors around that tone using the eyedropper tool to revisit old colors or branch out from a previous color that I used. For the final phase here, I wanted to add some pink smoke to my composition, so I used the Smoke Wispy brush for that on a layer with a screen blend mode. Thank you so much to Adobe Fresco, and thank you so much for watching. I really enjoyed messing around with these brushes in Fresco.